Hello guys, so today we will be doing an experiment. This is one of my favorite experiment. This is called Siphon Experiment. So as you can see on the board also similar type of glass is drawn. So I will explain this theoretically also after doing the practical experiment. So if you see one pipe is there exactly as per this configuration, and if I just suck a bit of liquid from here, then you see, let us see what happens. The total glass gets empty. I don't put any further pressure on it. The total glass gets empty. This is called siphon effect. What is the reason for it? Let us understand this one. The reason is, if you see, I always have kept this height. If you see, this height is having a height difference with this part. So definitely liquid always flows from higher height to lower height. So when I gave a pull of air from here, this part became vacuum. This part became vacuum. So as soon as this part became vacuum, due to this atmospheric pressure, the liquid rushed into this and filled this up. And after that, if you see, the only difference due to which the liquid will flow is the height of the liquid, and the height of the liquid was always there, and that is why the liquid flowed and emptied the glass. Now what we will do, we will try this again. So now Shubhajit Da is going to do the same thing that I have done, and let us see whether this time around the liquid gets emptied from the glass or not. তুমি এখানে একটুখানি ইয়ে করে দাও, চুষে দাও। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, যেরকম পাইপ দিয়ে চুষো। So he is not being able to do this. The reason is, if I replace this pipe, so let's see, I am going to the previous one. The same phenomena happens. However, in the last one which he tried, it didn't work. What is the reason? I'll show you what is the reason. So I'll just wait for the glass to get empty. As you can see, the glass is getting emptied over here. Okay, the complete glass is empty now. Here, if I compare this one like this, here I had made two holes. দুটো ফুটো করা ছিল এখানটা তোমারটাতে। I had made two holes. So as soon as I am making holes over there, here all the time atmospheric pressure is acting. So that is why when Shubhajit Da tried the same thing, it didn't work. But when I gave him the correct siphon, it worked. Now this type of making hole is called siphon breaker. Siphon breaker. So the reason is, here atmospheric pressure is acting, here also atmospheric pressure is acting. So in both the side there is atmospheric pressure, and definitely liquid cannot flow from lower height to higher height. Liquid can flow from higher height to lower height, from here to here, but liquid cannot flow from lower height to higher height. That is why when we make a puncture, a hole over here, this siphon system will not work, because that puncture acts as a siphon breaker. With that, I hope every one of you enjoyed this experiment as well as the theoretical explanation. Thank you guys. See you again.